Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We're going to draw a gingerbread man with a difference. He's wearing a Christmas hat and he's pretty happy about that, and he's holding a present as well. Who's excited for Christmas? I know I am. Hope you guys can join me and have some fun drawing a gingerbread man. Let's go. Let's start with the Christmas tree hat. I'm going to start with the little star on top. Now I'm drawing in pen to show you, but I would recommend drawing in pencil. Let's have some fun. Come out each side. That's the first part of the tree. Bring this out a little bit wider on each side. Second part of the tree. And then another one. And then it comes out again. And this is where his hat's going to be like this. So now you can put his head on. And you can see that his hat's hanging off to the side. So the more angle, you can draw that straight up. I thought it was cute on an angle. One eye, two eyes, big cute mouth. Let's put the details in there, colour that in, that's his tongue. And let's make these sort of like little kawaii style eyes. Colour those in. Now he's got a little bow tie, just a little one, like so. Now he's holding a present, so I'm going to have his arm coming around like this. His other arm is going to be doing the same, but coming out this way. Now he's got his present in here, so I'm going to draw a little box shape. So in behind here is a little box with a lid on the box, a little bow, and then let's draw a ribbon coming down there. And if you want a ribbon coming across, you can draw a ribbon coming across here as well, so it's nicely wrapped. And now it's just a matter of putting some feet on. 1, 2 feet like that. Now you can put on some other decorations onto your gingerbread man. He needs some little bit of icing through here. So I'm going to put some little icing bits like that on. Little bumpy, couple of little bumpy lines. Just try and keep them the same. And I'm going to do the same here as well. Bumpy lines like that. Now let's finish off the tree. So let's put some tinsel on the tree. So from here, we're going to go from this one down to this one with some tinsel. Down from there to there. And then I'm just going to bring that one down around like this. And that one, just bring a bit of tinsel around there. And then let's put some little balls on, or Christmas lights. It's up to you what you want. And there we have a cute little gingerbread man with a Christmas tree hat on.